Good morning and welcome back to Golden Woodland Farm. I'm Keith. It is Saturday, April 2nd. Big day today, and it's a beautiful day. It's a little chilly, it's in the 30s, but beautiful sun right now. It's supposed to get up around 50. And today we're going to install the solar panels on the roof. That's our project, and with any luck, we can get them up. And I'll go through a little bit of the prep work for that, and then try to show you the process along the way. It is Tuesday, February 1st. What I have here, these are the solar panels that I ordered. They were delivered last Wednesday. So there's a pallet full. There's 31 panels in this pallet, and then 11 more. 455 watt panels. And I'm going to put them on the south facing side of the roof. There's 42 here. I ordered 42. The plan is to put 40 of them up on the roof, and I'm going to put them in 4 strings that have 5 in series, 2 parallel. So there'll be 10 panels in each of those 4 strings, and then running into 4 separate inverters. So what we did here was we laid out the panels on the ground to make sure we understood how to connect the wires and make sure the wires were long enough. The scheme that we have here is we're going to connect 5 panels in series, and then another 5 panels in series, and then those 2 strings will go into parallel. So we've got these Y connectors that gives us our parallel, and then the series is minus to a plus, minus to a plus, minus to a plus, and then this is our minus in parallel, and then this is our plus in parallel. And so we believe by doing this that we're going to be able to just use the connecting wires that are already mounted on the panels, and then just have to run a main line from each series, each string down to a charge controller. So 40 panels, there'll be 5 in series, 2 in parallel, and so that those 10 panels will run into a single charge controller. So I have 4 charge controllers, 10 panels into each of the 4. Well, we're getting started, trying to figure out the layout, how the panels go up, get some measurements on the brackets, get the base bracket on, so that once we get the panels up, we can start plugging them together. Now we're making progress. It's slow going at first, but I think we're starting to get the hang of it. Get Nathan, Weston, Gabrielle, and Jake.
Over there with that little camera.
I'm gonna take a video.
Yeah, right? I didn't consent to this. Did I sign a release for it?
You didn't see the sign at the gate.
What?
Well, we got half of the panels up today. Good progress.